Dear students, hope you are doing well. In the last topic we have studied carbon and its compounds. In the carbon and its compounds we have discussed what are the hydrocarbons. हाइड्रोकार्बन्स जैसा कि हमने कहा था कि वो कंपाउंड जो कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन के बने हुए हैं जिसमें सिर्फ हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन है। और फिर हमने हाइड्रोकार्बन्स की क्लासिफिकेशन की थी कि ओपन चेन हाइड्रोकार्बन्स और क्लोज्ड चेन हाइड्रोकार्बन्स क्या होते हैं। तो उसके बाद हमने ओपन चेन्स को दो हिस्सों में तकसीम किया था कि सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स और अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स। सैचुरेटेड में हमने ये देखा था कि वो हाइड्रोकार्बन्स जिसमें कार्बन और कार्बन के दरमियान सिर्फ सिंगल बॉन्ड्स होते हैं, कार्बन और कार्बन जिसमें ओनली सिंगल बॉन्ड्स होते हैं, दोज कंपाउंड्स आर कॉल्ड सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स। उसमें आपने ये भी देखा है कि सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स का दूसरा नाम जो हमने देखा वो था अल्केन्स। इनकी जनरल फार्मूला CnH2n+2। और फिर हमने डिफरेंट सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स के स्ट्रक्चर ड्रा किए थे। और हमने ये भी देखा कि व्हाट आर द अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स। व्हाट आर द अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, हमने ये देखा था कि वो हाइड्रोकार्बन जिसमें कार्बन और कार्बन के दरमियान डबल बॉन्ड और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होगा, those hydrocarbons are called saturated hydrocarbons. We were discussing the examples there कि saturated hydrocarbons को हमने saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons, saturated hydrocarbons वो का हाइड्रोकार्बन हमने बताए थे कि जिसमें कार्बन और कार्बन के दरमियान डबल बॉन्ड या कार्बन और कार्बन के दरमियान ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होगा। तो ऐसे कंपाउंड्स को, ऐसे हाइड्रोकार्बन्स को हमने क्या कहा था कि वो अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स है। So far as these unsaturated hydrocarbons are concerned, they have been also classified into two categories. One are the alkenes and alkynes. Yes beta, unsaturated hydrocarbons, open chain unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkenes and alkynes. What are alkenes? Those hydrocarbons, those unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain, in which there is कार्बन और कार्बन के दरमियान सिर्फ डबल बॉन्ड होगा, कार्बन और कार्बन के दरमियान सिर्फ डबल बॉन्ड है। those unsaturated hydrocarbons which contains carbon and carbon, in which carbon and carbon contains double bond, at least one double bond, they are called alkenes. Their name, so जिसमें कार्बन और कार्बन के दरमियान डबल बॉन्ड होगा और उनका नाम जो हो एंड होता है ENE पर। रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, उनका नाम एंड होता है ENE पर, ईन पर, कार्बन और कार्बन के दरमियान डबल बॉन्ड है। एंड नंबर थर्ड, इनकी जनरल फार्मूला जो है वो है CnH2n, यानी कार्बन हाइड्रोजन का जो नंबर होगा वो कार्बन से डबल होगा। इफ यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज विच इज अल्कीन, अगर कार्बन से हाइड्रोजन का जो नंबर है डबल होगा और ओपन चेन होगा, देन इट इज द alkene. Now we will draw the various structures of various alkenes. So the general formula for alkenes is CnH2n. CnH2n. If you give the value here 1, it will be C1H2. This is not the alkene, क्योंकि इसमें कार्बन की जो बॉन्डिंग है, कार्बन का जो ऑक्टेट है, कार्बन का जो ऑक्टेट है वो इनकम्प्लीट रहता है। You have to start, if you have to start the alkene, n is equal to 2 से आप शुरू कीजिए, C2H2 into 2, it will be C2H4. So it is the molecular formula of an alkene. Which alkene it is? Sir, it is ethene. It is ethene. Eth means the compound containing two carbons. Remember this thing. Eth means the compound, any organic compound containing two carbons. Eth. If there is a ene, then it is a alkene. So it is a ethene. So if we draw the structure, electronic structure of this ethene, you know बेटा कि कार्बन की जो वैलेंस है, कार्बन का जो लास्ट शेल है उसमें 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है। हाउ मेनी कार्बन्स आर देयर? देयर आर 2 कार्बन्स। सो 2 कार्बन्स, जो वैलेंस शेल है उसमें 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है। ये कार्बन और ये कार्बन जो है, ये कार्बन और ये कार्बन जो है, ये दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आपस में शेयर करता है और बॉन्ड बना देता है, कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड बना देता है। सो दैट कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड इज द डबल बॉन्ड। और ये कार्बन जो है दूसरे हाइड्रोजन के साथ जो है शेयर करता है इलेक्ट्रॉन। ये कार्बन इस हाइड्रोजन के साथ शेयर करता है, ये कार्बन इस हाइड्रोजन के साथ शेयर करता है, एंड दिस कार्बन शेयर्स द इलेक्ट्रॉन with this hydrogen. So हमने Lewis structure draw करना है. तो if you will be asked to draw this Lewis structure of this electron dot structure of the ethene, you must be able to draw the various structures of the various compounds of alkenes. So this carbon shares these two electrons with the two hydrogens and with this carbon, and similarly this carbon shares its two electrons with this carbon and two electrons with these two hydrogens. So this is the Lewis structure of what? Ethene. Or if you draw the structure of this ethene now, it is C double bond C, it is C single bond C, H, C single bond H, H and H. So if we sometimes ask that how many covalent bonds are there in the ethene, how many covalent bonds are in total? There is a double covalent bond, that means 2 bonds plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many total? 6 covalent bonds are there. 6 covalent bonds. Sometimes you are asked how many covalent bonds are there? 6 covalent bonds. How many double bonds? 1 double bond and 4 single bonds. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Double bond between carbon and carbon. Number second, if you give the value here 2, N is equal to 3. Now the compound will be C3H2 into 3, that will be the C3H6. This is the molecular formula of propene. So molecular formula of propene, I hope that you are now able to draw the structure of propene. Let us draw. C, we have C3C, 3 कार्बन हमारे पास है, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन और 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. Similarly, this carbon has 1 electron, here 1 electron, इस कार्बन का 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पर. हाइड्रोजन के साथ ये, हाइड्रोजन के साथ ये, हाइड्रोजन के साथ, हाइड्रोजन के साथ और एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर. This is the electronic dot structure of this propene. If we draw quickly the structure, you will see double bond C, single bond H, single bond C, H and H. It will be the H and it will be the H. So it will be the CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH3. One more H is here. It is the single bond H, CH3. So 1, 2 and 3 carbon and hydrogen 6. 6 hydrogens are there and 3 carbons are there. This is the structural formula. We have drawn the structure of the propene, and this is the structural formula of the propene, and this is the electronic dot structure of the propene. I hope that you will draw the various structures of the various alkenes. Now second part is the alkynes. What are the alkynes? Alkynes are the hydrocarbons containing triple bond. Alkynes are the hydrocarbons containing triple bonds. You have C triple bond C. At least one triple bond must be there in the alkynes. The general formula CN H2N minus 2. The name ends at Y, and there must be carbon-carbon triple bond. If you find any compound which follow these three, it follows the formula CnH2n minus 2, the name ends at Y, and there is carbon triple bond carbon, C triple bond C, then you should say that it is the alkyne. It is the unsaturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon triple bond, and it is the alkyne. Let us have a look and find the molecular formulas of various alkynes. We have CnH2n minus 2. If we give n is equal to 2, remember this thing, we should not put the n is equal to 1, because then the carbon will not satisfy its valency. So it is C2H2 into 2 minus 2. The formula will be CH4 minus 2 C2H2. This is the molecular formula of ethyne, because it contains the 2 carbon eth, and the name must be and now yne. So it is the molecular formula of ethyne, ETHYNE. How do you draw the structure formula? Now you have carbon, How many carbon? 2 carbons here. These are the 3 electrons of carbon, 3 electrons of another carbon, 1 electron and 1 electron. These 2 carbons share the 3 electrons and form the 3 covalent bonds. They form the 3 covalent bonds, and this carbon shares 1 electron with the hydrogen. This carbon shares the electron with the 1 hydrogen. So the compound is C triple bond C, single bond H, single bond H. This is the ethyl. It is also known as, commonly it is known as acetylene. What is beta commonly known as? Acetylene. Acetylene. So ethyl, C, triple bond C, single bond H, single bond H. I hope that you will draw the electronic structure of this compound. If you take the example of, put the N, say you will put the N 3, 4, 5. Let us see which formula we will obtain. Say N is equal to 5 now. So this is C5H2 into 2 minus 2. 2 into 5 minus 2. It will be the C5H10 minus 2. It is C5H8. So which molecular formula? This is the molecular formula we have obtained by using this formula. Which compound it is? What is the name of this compound? Say here it is the 5 carbon. It is spent and it follows this formula. ये formula इस follow करता है ये compound. इस formula को use करने से हमने ये molecular formula obtain किया है. It is the pentyne. What is it? Pentyne. It is pentyne. 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 C5H8. If we draw the structure now, it is somewhere you have to put the triple bond. C triple bond C, single bond C, single bond C, single bond C and single bond C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 carbons. This carbon needs only 1 valency now because it has shared the 3 electrons with this carbon. Now it has only 1 electron. It will share that electron with this hydrogen. This carbon has shared the 3 electrons with this carbon, 1 electron with this carbon. So no need of sharing any electron because there is no electron which it will share with the hydrogen. So there will be no hydrogen attached to this carbon, linked with this carbon. This carbon has shared beta 2 electrons with the other 2 carbons. There are 2 electrons that they will share with the 2 hydrogens. It will be like this. Similarly, this carbon. But what about this carbon? This carbon has 4 electrons. One it has shared with this carbon, and now the 3 electrons it shares with the 3 hydrogen, and the compound structure becomes like this. It is CH, triple bond C, single bond CH2, single bond CH2, single bond CH3. Which compound it is? It is a pentyne. So hope that you will draw the structures of various alkynes. You will find the formula, molecular formula, and draw the structures, draw the Lewis structures, go through the books, textbook, other books, other materials available, and find how to draw the structures of the organic compounds, particularly alkenes, alkynes, and alkanes. Now, naming of these compounds. How we will name these compounds? How we will name the compounds? Let's have a quick look how we are naming the compounds. Say you have a compound now, it is like this, CH3, single bond CH3. First tell me, is this alkane, alkene or alkyne? It is a alkane because there is carbon and carbon के दरमियान जो है single bond है, so it is the alkane. So which alkane? So this contains the 2 carbons and it is a saturated compound. It is the alkane. 2 carbons means yes, eth. 2 carbon means eth. Since it is a alkane, it is the ethane. It is the ethane. Similarly, you have this compound CH3, CH2, CH3. It is how many carbons it contains? It contains 3 carbons, and all the carbons have single bonds between them. So it is also an alkane. So which alkane is a prop? It's a prop. Prop means 3 carbon. It is a propane. If we will write first, if we will make a table, you take the pen and copy. Meth, beta means 1 carbon, the compound containing 1 carbon, C1 only. Eth means the compound containing 2 carbons. Prop means the compound it containing 3 carbons. But compound containing 4 carbons. Pent compounds containing 5 carbons. Hex compounds containing 6 carbons, and so on. Hept, oct, neo, dec, etc. If it's an alkane, so it's a methane. If it's an alkane containing 2 carbons, it's a ethane. If it's a propane containing 3 carbons, then it's a propane. Compound has 3 carbons, but all the bonds between the carbon and carbon is single bond, then it is a propane. If a compound having 4 carbons and there are only single bonds, then it is a butane. And if it has a 5 carbons but it contains 1 double bond, then it is the pentene, because डबल बॉन्ड वाले जो है इनका नाम जो एंड होता है इन पर. If it is the 6 carbons and there is a 1 triple bond, then it is the hexene, hexene, hexane or hexine. What is it? It is the hexine because it contains a triple bond. So it is clear that the compounds containing the only single bonds, if it contains the 2 carbons, it is the ethane. If it contains a double bond, it is the ethene. If it contains a triple bond, it is ethyne. Let's see how. This is CH2 double bond CH2 and other compound C triple bond C, H and H. This is which compound it is? Ethene, because it contains the double bond. And which is it? It is the ethyne. It contains triple bond. It is ethene. It is ethyne. Ethyne means it contains how many bonds? Triple bond. It contains double bond. It contains single bond. So this is ethane, this is ethene, this is ethyne. And you will draw the structures. Now, if you have the compound like this, if we have the compound like this, we have compound CH3, single bond C, it is a CH3 here, it is a H, it is a CH3. What is this compound? Actually, what has happened that it was a propane. We have removed the 1 hydrogen from the propane and inserted the CH3 group, alkyl group. Remember this thing. If we remove 1 hydrogen from the alkane, then it becomes alkyne. Say we have methane. Methane से हमने 1 hydrogen निकाला. It becomes CH3. It becomes methyl. It becomes methyl. Similarly, we have C2H6. If we remove the 1 hydrogen, it becomes C2H5. It is the ethyl. Ethyl. Ethane से हमने ethyl बना दिया. So alkane से जब भी आप एक hydrogen निकालोगे, whenever you will remove the 1 hydrogen from the alkanes, it becomes alkyl. Alkyl. Similarly, here methyl हमने introduce किया है. किसमें हमने introduce किया है बेटा? For naming of this compound, what you have to do? First of all, you have to select the longest chain. Remember this thing, longest chain. Longest chain. Longest chain में 1, 2 and 3 ये longest chain बनती है. This is the longest chain. And in the longest chain, if you count these carbons, this is carbon number 1, carbon number 2 and carbon number 3. At position number 2, you are seeing here that at position number 2, instead of hydrogen, we have methyl now. How will you name this compound? You will name that this is the substituent here. It has substituted, the methyl has substituted instead of hydrogen. Hydrogen को जब हमने remove किया है, वहाँ पर हमने methyl लगा दिया है. Methyl जो है hydrogen के बदले आ गया, ये substituent बन गया. Longest chain हमने शुरू किया है, ये select किया है. Longest chain में 3 आते हैं. Parent compound जो बेटा था, parent compound हमारा प्रोपेन था. पैरेंट कंपाउंड जो था प्रोपेन था. 3 कार्बन्स है और सारे सिंगल बॉन्ड्स है. सो पैरेंट कंपाउंड इज प्रोपेन. बट एट पोजीशन नंबर 2, एट कार्बन नंबर 2, what we did, we inserted against the hydrogen, we substituted against the hydrogen which group? Alkyl group. Which alkyl? Methyl group. So what is the name of the compound? The name of the compound will be 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane will be the name of this compound. Similarly, we will take the example of another compound. Say CH3, C, it is the CH3, it is the CH3, it is the CH3. So here the parent compound, if you select the longest chain 1, 2 and 3, or like this 1, 2 and 3, or like this 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 और 3, कहां से भी आप जाइए लॉन्गेस्ट चेन में हमारे 3 कार्बन्स आते हैं, चाहे आप यहां से जाए, चाहे आप यहां से जाए, चाहे आप यहां से जाए, लॉन्गेस्ट चेन में हमारे 3 कार्बन्स आते हैं। तो हमारा पेरेंट कंपाउंड जो बेटा था वो प्रोपेन है, लेकिन प्रोपेन में हमने 2 जगह पोजीशन नंबर 2 पर, कार्बन नंबर 2 पर हमने 2 सबस्टिट्यूएंट्स अटैच किए हैं, मिथाइल एंड मिथाइल। सो इट इज अ 2 मिथाइल एंड 2 मिथाइल, 2 मिथाइल and 2 methyl propane. How we will write this? We will write this 2,2-dimethyl, means at position number 2 we have methyl, at position number 2 again we have the methyl, so it is a 2,2-dimethyl propane. It is a 2,2-dimethyl propane is the name of the compound. 2,2-dimethyl is the name of the compound. Now second, if we take the example of the another compound, another alkane का नाम हम कैसे देते हैं alkane compounds का? You have the compound like this, CH3, C, CH3, it is the CH2, it is the CH3, and here it is the H. So what is the name of the compound? What is the name of the compound? The name of the compound here is, you have to select the longest chain. Longest chain में बेटा आपको 4 कार्बन आते हैं, 1, 2, 3 and 4. आपको लॉन्गेस्ट चेन में 4 कार्बन आते हैं, 1, 2, 3 और 4 कार्बन। अगर ये चेन हम लेंगे 1, 2 and 3, ये सिर्फ 3 कार्बन की चेन बनती है, ये वाली चेन। आप गौर से देखिए, ये वाली चेन जो है 3 कार्बन की बनेगी, ये स्ट्रेट वाली चेन जो है 4 कार्बन की बनेगी, या अगर हम ये चेन लेंगे ये भी 4 कार्बन की बनेगी। सो 2 चेन्स में हमने एक सिलेक्ट करना, या सीधा हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे या ये चेन सिलेक्ट करेंगे। तो हमने ये चेन सिलेक्ट की है, तो लॉन्गेस्ट चेन में हमारे 4 कार्बन आ गए। तो हर कार्बन के दरमियान जो है बेटा वो सिंगल बॉन्ड है, सिंगल बॉन्ड है, कोई डबल बॉन्ड नहीं है, कोई ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नहीं है। सो व्हाट इज द कंपाउंड? Which hydrocarbon is it? Saturated or unsaturated? It is saturated. Which saturated? It is alkane. Alkane, because all are single bonds. So how will give the name of this compound? The name of the compound will be, now the question is, so where from we will start the numbering? Shall we start from this 1, 2, 3 and 4, or shall we start from this 1, 2 and 3? Let us start from this 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is the name? The name will be there 3-methyl, because at position number 3 we have the methyl. 3-methyl butane. 3-methyl butane. If we start from this end, it is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. नाम क्या बनेगा? नाम आएगा now 2-methyl. 2-methyl butane. Now a compound having 2 names. Is it possible? A person having 2 names? No, it is not possible in the science. साइंस में जो कंपाउंड है एक ही नाम है, तो 2 नाम में से कौन सा नाम करेक्ट है? हमने नंबरिंग उस साइड से सिलेक्ट करनी है जहां से हमारा जो सबस्टिट्यूएंट है वो नजदीक पड़ जाता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द लोवेस्ट सम रूल. यू विल स्टडी further when you ponder in your textbooks. You will go textbooks and other material, supplementary material, you will find there how we are giving the names, how to select the numbering. नंबरिंग कहां से शुरू करनी है? नंबरिंग हमने यहां से शुरू करनी है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द लोवेस्ट सम रूल. आप अभी पढ़ोगे आगे. लोवेस्ट सम रूल, जहां से हमारा सबस्टिट्यूएंट नजदीक जाएगा वहां से हमने नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करनी है. नंबरिंग सबस्टिट्यूएंट इस ब्लैक वाली जो नंबरिंग हमने दी है वहां से सिलेक्ट होता है, तो हमारा जो नाम आएगा, परफेक्ट नाम आएगा, वो 2-methyl butane है. 2-methyl butane है. क्विकली वन मोर कंपाउंड ऑफ अल्केन्स. CH3 we have CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2. नाउ लॉन्गेस्ट चेन में 3 कार्बन है. अब नंबरिंग कहां से स्टार्ट करनी है? 1, 2, 3. अगर यहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो हमारा जो नाम बनता है वो बनता है प्रोप-2-इन. प्रोप-2-इन. बट हमने वहां से स्टार्ट नंबरिंग की करनी है जहां से डबल बॉन्ड नजदीक बन जाएगा. इट इज द 1, 2 and 3. इट्स अ प्रोपीन. सिंपली प्रोपीन और प्रोप-1-इन is the correct name of this compound, 1-propene. So it is enough for today. इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद है कि आप घर में जो है अपनी बुक्स को खोलेंगे, बुक्स में झांक के जितना भी मटेरियल है, जितने भी स्ट्रक्चर्स है, जितने भी एक्सरसाइजेस है कार्बन कंपाउंड्स के पीछे लिविंग स्ट्रक्चर आपको ड्रा करने हैं, वो बेटा आप घर में आराम से इनको कीजिए और स्ट्रक्चर ड्रा करने की कोशिश करनी है. Since we are offline, we are not with you, I hope that you will go through the books, you will not waste your time in these days, and you will stay home, stay safe, inshallah. Khuda Hafiz.